today's tutorial, I will show you how to add all borders to cells with border command in Excel. In addition to hotkeys, we can also apply the border command to add all borders to selected cells easily in Excel. Select the cells you want to add all borders in Excel. Click the Home tab. In the font group, click All Borders drop-down list and select All Borders. And then you will see all borders are added to selected cells at once. And if you want to add the outside border only, click the All Borders drop-down list and select Outside Borders. And you can see only the outside borders are added. And if you want to remove the borders, again click the All Borders drop-down list and select No Border, and all the borders will be removed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.